Now that the sling is on your body, you'll want to create a pouch to put baby into. Find the top seam, make sure it's at the top, and find the bottom seam as well. You'll want to take the bottom seam and flip it up. Bring it up to the same height as the top seam. This will create a pouch that you will place baby in. I usually place the bottom seam in the middle of my chest, and then I come through and I'll tighten it to make it a little tighter and easier once I get baby in. The less adjustments you have to do, the better. Now I'll go grab baby. Once you have your baby, you'll want to pat them, keep them calm, and then you'll want to bring the top seam down so you're able to guide baby into the pouch. Since I'm using a baby wearing doll, my baby's legs don't bend as much as a real baby's legs would. So you'll have to just imagine how it would look. Typically, babies that are doing legs in are newborns, and they'll assume a froggy position with their knees under their belly. That's the position that you would want to place them into the sling. You'll want to bring the fabric up their back and almost above their head to make sure that you have enough fabric along their back to support them. You'll want to make sure that you adjust through your shoulder as well to keep it comfortable for you and to make sure that there is no extra fabric. Then push up on baby's bottom to release some of the tension and tighten through. Pat your baby and make sure that they're close enough to kiss and that you can easily see their airway. You can see that my baby has a nice M shape with their knees above their bum, and then I come through and make sure that there's no more adjusting that I need to do to make it comfortable for me as well.